Bhagavad Gita Bite-Size Learning, Episode 28. Arjuna Vishada Yoga, Shloka 34, 35, 36 and 37. Question. Arjuna's dilemma. Which path to go? Acharya pitara putras tathaiva cha pitamahaha matula shvashura pautraha शाला संबंधिनस्तथा एतान्न हन्तुमिच्छामि नतोऽपि मधुसूदन अपि त्रैलोक्यराज्यस्य हेतो किं नु मही कृते निहत्यादार्त्रराष्ट्रान्न का प्रीतिः स्या जनार्दन पापमेवाश्रयेदस्मान् हत्वैतान्नाततायिनः तस्मान्नार्हा वयं हन्तुं दार्त्रराष्ट्रान् स्वबान्धवान् स्वजनं हि कथं हत्वा सुखिनः स्याम माधव. Teachers, fathers and grandfathers, sons and grandsons, uncles, fathers-in-law, brothers-in-law and other relatives. O Madhusudana, it does not matter even if I am killed. I do not want to kill these people even for the sake of a kingdom extending over the 3 worlds. How would I bother for a kingdom on earth? What happiness can I derive from the death of these sons of Dhritarashtra? O Janardana, only sin will accrue to us from killing these criminals. Therefore, it is not appropriate that we slay our relatives, the sons of Dhritarashtra. How can we be happy after killing our own close relatives? Arjuna is seen repeating his dialogue. He sees that when he battles the Kaurava army, he would either be killing a friend, a relative, or a well-wisher. He is unable to collect his courage and control his mind. Arjuna mentions that he is not enticed by a victory over 3 worlds and thus he wishes to justify that a battle to kill one's own family for the cause of winning a kingdom on earth does not make any sense. Arjuna is showing a sudden alteration in decision by saying he does not want to kill the Kauravas. He has planned the battle for years and has been waiting for the moment to lash out against Duryodhana and his supporters. It was not an easy task to silently suffer insults and injustice meted out by Duryodhana. Arjuna has never been a man of renunciation. He was fondly referred to as Dhananjaya, which means conqueror of wealth. At that point, he has not risen above the desire for worldly things. Yet, he says he would rather not kill even for 3 worlds. This is a clear sign that he is under a cloud of emotion. Have you not heard people say, I will not do this job even if I am given all the wealth of the world, or I cannot agree for this even if you kill me, and so on? Arjuna refers to Kauravas as Atatayina, which means criminals, but he refuses to fight them, saying that they are relatives. Arjuna has gone to a deep questioning mode. He asks, how can we ever be happy after killing our own relatives? When in confusion which path to go, always ask yourself, why have you started? Thank you for watching. Meet you soon.